All right, today we are taking a deep dive into one of Shopify's most popular and, let's be honest, most talked about premium themes, Motion. It promises to bring your brand to life with these gorgeous animations and videos, but yeah, it comes with a pretty serious price tag.
So that brings us to the big question, the one you're probably asking yourself right now. Is this thing really worth a $400 investment for your store? Let's find out.
Yeah, $400. Let that sink in for a second. That's a serious chunk of change, especially if you're a new or growing brand. So for that price, you'd better be getting a whole lot more than just a pretty face. So what is Motion really? Well, at its heart, it's all about visual storytelling. The entire thing is built from the ground up to create this immersive, really high-end experience, weaving these super smooth animations and videos right into your customer's journey. Okay, so first things first. To really understand the value here, we have to look at that visual promise it makes and what you're actually getting right out of the box for your money. And right off the bat, you need to know who's making this thing. Motion is built by Archetype Themes, and if you've been in the Shopify world for a while, you know that name. They are one of the most respected developers out there. They're known for clean code, solid support, which, adds a real layer of trust to that purchase. Now, one of its biggest strengths is just how versatile it is. You're not just buying one look, you get 3 distinct presets. First up is Classic. This is the signature Motion look. It's bold, it's dynamic, it's super video heavy. It's just perfect for those activewear or outdoor brands that really need to show their products in motion. Then you've got the Elegant preset. This one just flips the script completely. It creates this much more refined, sophisticated vibe. It uses darker tones, really structured layouts to build a sense of luxury. You can totally see this being used for high-end fashion or premium accessories.
And finally, there's the minimal style. This one just strips everything back. We're talking tons of white space, clean lines, and it puts all the focus squarely on your products. It's a fantastic choice for those modern, boutique brands, maybe in skincare or home goods.
Okay, but let's be real. A beautiful store is great, but it doesn't automatically pay the bills, right? So now let's look at the powerful features that are baked right into this theme, the tools that are designed to replace expensive apps and actually help you grow your business.
So the theme groups all these features into 4 key areas for growth. First up, marketing and conversion. You get things like quick view and a stock counter to create urgency. Then there's merchandising, with these awesome storytelling tools like shoppable lookbooks. The cart and checkout experience is streamlined with a slide-out cart. And finally, product discovery gets a huge boost with a mega menu and enhanced search. See, this isn't just a theme, it's like a full toolkit designed to save you money on app fees and keep your site from getting bloated. And this quote really speaks to the end result. We looked at hundreds of user reviews, and the single most consistent piece of praise was that Motion instantly makes a brand look more expensive, more established. And this isn't just about looking pretty. There's actually a psychological principle at play here called the aesthetic usability effect. Basically, when something looks better, we perceive it as more trustworthy and easier to use, which, you guessed it, directly impacts our willingness to buy. Pretty cool, right?
And the value isn't just in the code. A huge part of that $400 investment is the dedicated developer support. Just look at this user review. The team often goes above and beyond, which can literally save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in developer fees down the road.
So, it looks great, it's packed with features, and the support is top-notch. But that leads us to the big elephant in the room. The question every single store owner should be asking, are all these beautiful animations and videos going to absolutely destroy my site speed? So, we put it to the test. Here's the raw data from Google PageSpeed Insights, running a test on the theme's own demo store. And the results? A solid 84 on desktop and a really impressive 70 on mobile. Now, to put that into perspective for you, those scores are fantastic for this kind of theme. It's super common for these heavy visual-first themes to score in the 30s or 40s on mobile. So hitting a 70 just shows you how highly optimized Motion is. You get all that style without a massive performance hit. And this isn't just theory, right? We can see it working in the wild with these amazing brands. You've got Jones Sports Co. using it for this super clean, minimalist look. The fashion label Beck Plus Bridge goes all in on dynamic video, and then the Landmark project uses it to create this adventurous, story-driven experience. It's proof that this theme is a real performer for successful brands. Okay, so this brings us to the final verdict. To help you decide if it's right for you, let's put Motion head-to-head against Shopify's best free theme, Dawn.
This little chart here really tells the whole story. With Motion, all the key features, animations, lookbooks, quick view, they're all built right in. Now, to get that same functionality in the free Dawn theme, you'd have to start installing a bunch of third-party apps which add monthly costs and can seriously slow down your site. Plus, you're trading dedicated developer support for, well, sifting through community forums.
And that really gets to the heart of it. Motion is what you'd call a batteries-included solution. It's a pre-built, premium identity that's ready to go. Dawn is a fantastic blank canvas, don't get me wrong, but it's going to require a lot more work, more apps, or custom coding to achieve a similar high-end feel. So what's the verdict for you? Let's make it super simple. You should absolutely consider buying Motion if you're a visual-first brand, you've invested in high-quality photos and videos, and how people perceive your brand is a top priority. On the flip side, you should probably stick with the free theme if you're on a tight budget, or if your product photos are still pretty basic for now.
But before you click buy, there's one more crucial thing you have to know. There's kind of a hidden cost to using Motion. This theme is only as good as the content you feed it. It's going to amplify your assets, for better or for worse. If you use low-resolution photos, it can actually make your store look worse than it would on a simpler theme.
All that said, for the brands that are ready, it is an undeniable winner. I mean, it holds a 97% positive rating across more than 550 verified reviews. This isn't a gamble. It's a proven solution that delivers the goods for the right kind of business. So in the end, it all comes down to this. That $400 isn't just for a theme. It's an investment in a powerful visual storytelling engine. And the real question you have to ask yourself is your brand's story worth that investment?